add a little bit of shell. Oops.
It's Sally Mangali, where we eat and talk weight. I don't know what I'm doing. Just subscribe and let's conversate.
I like my queso first. So let's put that on there. I like a little bit of lettuce, not a lot. And I love tomatoes. This is so delicious. When this girl I know was getting married. It was her bachelorette party. I had to been. Today I didn't get the bagel. And after I ordered this, I was like, oh, should I just get the egg, bacon, egg, and cheese? Let's do little hash brown. And what did I get? Oh, got some grape jelly this time. It's my birthday. That's a lot of bread. I can taste that onion is so good. I am having a seafood boil, except I'm just gonna have shrimp, eggs, potatoes, some cucumbers. Damn. Come on now. I'm gonna open up some of my stuffed crust. Put some cheese in there. Ooh. Looks good. Today was pretty good. I went in late today, and who can beat that, right? I do like a little sour cream in my potato. I don't think it's natural if you don't. This is so good. It's so good. Oh my God.